Finance is evolving faster than ever. And most students are still learning outdated concepts. It's time to learn finance the 2025 way with AI. Introducing the AI in Finance course. Learn the skills schools never taught, but the future demands.